Welcome to springlib.
Let's go to the decimals graphing calculator and enter a list of the data. If you just call it L for list and use a squared bracket, then you can just enter the list as you see it. So there are 23 elements. So for A, we want to know what percentile is the value 76. Well, 76 is the 19th of 23 values. So we would say it's in the 83rd percentile. For part B, find the 73rd percentile. Well, the 73rd percentile would be 73% of the number of data values we have. And then we would go look for the 17th one, because that's what's close to the 17th. So this is 23, because they are in order. 23, 2, 1, 20, 19, 18, 74. For part C, we want to find Q1. In decimals, I have the quartile function, which you can state like we have from the list, and we want the first quartile. That is 65, but what it is the median of the lower half of the data. So again, that is 65. D is the third quartile. Again, that is the median of the upper half of the data. It is 75. For E, we want to find the median, or the second quartile, which is 69 is the middle. F, the interquartile range, is going to be the first quartile minus the third quartile. 69 minus 65 is 4. And we want to know the upper and lower limits of the box plot. Well, we would check for outliers. If we do 1.5 times the interquartile range, which is 4, that's 6 units above and below the quartile. So if the first quartile was 65, then anything lower than 1.5 times the interquartile range, 59, would be considered an outlier. So that would be 58, 5, and 3. So that would mean the lower limit of the box plot would be 63. The upper limit we would take the third quartile, which was 75, and add 1.5 times the interquartile range, which is 81. And so 83 would be an outlier, and our upper limit would be 78.